This could be the biggest change in ChatGPT's history. Reports say OpenAI is exploring ads, a move that could create a $100 billion business, but it might also upset millions of users. Here's what no one is telling you. Imagine opening ChatGPT to ask a simple question, and before you get your answer, you see an advertisement. Sounds crazy, right? Well, according to recent reports, OpenAI is exploring advertising as a possible future business model. If it happens, it could completely change how millions of people use AI, and potentially create one of the biggest businesses in tech history. So, what's really going on? Are ads actually coming to ChatGPT? And why are experts talking about a $100 billion opportunity? Let's break it down. Over the past few years, ChatGPT has become one of the fastest growing apps ever created. Today, millions of people use it every day to write emails, solve homework problems, generate code, plan vacations, and even run businesses. But here's something most people don't think about. Every conversation with an AI model costs money. Behind every response are powerful AI chips, massive data centers, electricity, cloud infrastructure, and teams of researchers and engineers. Running a service used by millions of people every day costs billions of dollars each year. Right now, OpenAI mainly earns money through paid subscriptions like ChatGPT Plus and Pro, enterprise customers, and developers who use its API. However, reports suggest the company is also exploring advertising as another possible way to generate revenue. So, where does this massive number come from? Think about Google. Google built one of the world's most valuable businesses through advertising. Every day, billions of searches happen, and companies pay to appear in front of users looking for products or answers. Now imagine if millions or even billions of people start asking ChatGPT instead of using traditional search engines. That creates an enormous opportunity for businesses to reach potential customers. Many industry analysts believe AI-powered advertising could eventually become a market worth tens or even hundreds of billions of dollars. That's why investors are paying so much attention. Here's where things get interesting. One of the biggest reasons people love ChatGPT is because it's simple, fast, and free from distractions. There are no pop-ups, no banner ads, and no sponsored links filling your screen. If advertising were ever introduced in a way that interrupted conversations, many users would probably be unhappy. On the other hand, some people argue that carefully labeled, limited ads could help fund AI services and keep them affordable, or even free, for more users. At this point, OpenAI has not announced a full advertising rollout, and it's still unclear if or how ads might eventually appear. So while the discussion is generating headlines, many details remain unknown. Whether ads arrive next year or never arrive at all, one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a cool technology. It's becoming one of the biggest industries in the world. The companies that figure out how to build useful AI and turn it into a sustainable business could shape how billions of people use the internet for years to come. This isn't just about ChatGPT, it's about the future of AI itself. Now I want to hear from you. If ChatGPT started showing advertisements, would you keep using it, or would you switch to another AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want the latest AI news explained in simple language, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I post the biggest AI stories before they go viral, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.